Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Well, hi guys, this is Simran yet again welcoming you in a live chat session with influencer and makeup lover Shreyasi Debnath. Shreyasi is going to be joining us for this live. Shreyasi and I are going to basically create a fun look. मतलब आए तो क्या like Shreyasi is basically going to create a fun look with us. Because you know quarantine and lockdown has got us all like a little low and all of that, so इसके लिए people who love makeup and are junkies for makeup and all of that can enjoy this video. Shreyasi is going to recreate a few of her makeup looks, like one of her makeup looks, and I am basically going to follow her. So let me just add her and then we can talk more. Hi. Hi Shreyasi, welcome to the live. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. How are you?
I am good too, and I was telling everyone that how you are going to help us get out of the low zone from quarantine, or you are going to help us recreate some look. You know, जब भी हम bloggers और किसी को भी देखते हैं तो you know when we look at your pictures we are just like कि how do they get these amazing pictures, और ये makeup कैसे होता है? Is it possible for us, like you know, people who are not professionals, क्या वो भी कर सकते हैं? So we are basically
and मैं बहुत लाइट मेकअप करती हूँ. मतलब शूट के लिए मैं तो ज्यादा मेकअप नहीं करती, बिकॉज एक दो शूट के लिए मैं कभी भी ज्यादा मेकअप नहीं करती. मतलब इट बिकम्स टू मच फॉर माय स्किन, सो आई गो विद बीबी क्रीम और very less I use foundation. So yeah,
right.
Anybody can do
मतलब
that.
basically you don't put a lot of makeup but just you use some tips and tricks जिससे वो ज़्यादा enhanced दिखता है.
Yeah.
Right. So we are basically going to have you do things and I am going to like just go ahead and sort of copy you or something, because you know जब influencers को हम देखते हैं तो we are not sure if we can recreate. So now people who are watching can see for themselves कि how much of a recreatability factor is there, और कितना like somebody like me जिसको नहीं आता ज़्यादा कुछ can watch you.
मुझे भी नहीं आता था, फिर करते करते हो गया. लाइक
right.
मच मेकअप तो मैं नहीं करती, मैं थोड़ा बहुत कर लेती हूँ, अच्छा लगता है तो इसलिए कर लेती हूँ.
राइट, बट एज वी बिगिन मैं आपको साथ साथ यू नो क्वेश्चंस भी पूछती जाऊंगी कि हाउ डिड यू सॉर्ट ऑफ स्टार्ट मेकअप एंड blogging and influencing and all of that. So tell me like what do you start makeup routine mein, what is the first thing that we start with?
मतलब from the makeup
नहीं, like basically मतलब generally with like skin and all
मैं
of that.
तो मॉइस्चराइजर करती हूँ, फिर प्राइमर कभी करती हूँ. मतलब लॉन्ग शूट के लिए मैं प्राइमर तो अप्लाई करती हूँ.
तो अभी what are we going to start with?
I have done my base, like moisturizer, primer I have done, and also
I have not
the
done
concealer.
anything. So
And also done my eyebrows, because I literally take time to do my eyebrows, because it's literally not very prominent. My eyebrows are not very prominent.
Right.
So thought कि ऐसे ही सामने.
I think till the time you tell me things, I'm just going to put some moisturizer.
No problem.
Because I also don't want to start anything on my bare face.
Yeah, moisturizer is must. Like.
Right. Everybody who's joining, there is Preeti Chetri, there is Sugared Mellow, there are so many people. You can start taking names of people, telling them hi, so that
hi, thank you for joining.
Ekta Singh, Simi23_06. Guys, आप लोग के जो भी questions है वो भी please आप हमें भेजना शुरू कर दो, so that Aditi is telling you a hi.
Hi Aditi. Adit. Hi.
Adit. Okay, Rosina, Raina. Guys, जो भी questions आपको है श्रेयसी से, जो भी अब तक उन्होंने आंसर नहीं किया DM में या कहीं पे भी, start sending it here. एकता सिंह ने लिखा है hi ma'am. Okay.
Hi.
So should I just basically put like a concealer right now या फिर a
You can
basic?
put primer.
Okay. I think this Clinique Moisture Surge sort of acts as a primer
that
plus.
is good. Yeah.
Right. So I think I've put that, and now I'll just
मुझे
put the
लगता है कि
Clinique.
बेस सेम होना चाहिए और हर किसी का टेक्निक अलग होता है तो चलेगा. मतलब
Right.
किसी का टेक्निक एक नहीं होता है. So yeah.
Right. So I'm just using the Clinique foundation only
Yeah.
now. And once I'm done with that, we are going to have Shreyasi tell us more
Okay,
in
I'll apply
detail.
my BB cream. मुझे
Yes,
भी BB
please.
cream apply करना है.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm going to
Let's
apply
start.
BB cream. It's like my Easy Go thing. So it's from
Okay.
Sugar. So I'm going to
Right.
apply that, okay?
Right. Until you blend, there is a question from Ashvita. She's
Okay.
asking, how did you get your own filter?
Own
Filter.
filter. Yeah, one of my friend has done it for me. So yeah.
Wow. But what was the idea behind it? And was it your idea?
Yeah,
Was it your
I
idea
love
कि क्या
Bohemian
करना है?
theme and all. So yeah, I love
Okay.
feather. You know, one day I'll give my room tour. You can see that there are a lot of feathers in my room. So
Wow.
yeah,
We really would look forward to your room tour. Acha, tell me, how did it all begin for you? Like, did you always because you know influencer as a career ये ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो हम बचपन से you know बनना चाहते हो या कुछ ऐसा जो हमने बहुत टाइम से देखा हो. It is something जो अभी नया नया it's become into the trend. So how did you sort of start this career like influencing and blogging?
Actually I was pursuing nutrition, but मुझे उतना इंटरेस्ट
Wow.
नहीं था उसमें. तो मुझे जॉब में मिल गई थी एक हॉस्पिटल में.
Right.
फिर मैंने 3 दिन किया जॉब और छोड़ दिया और घर वापस आ गई. तब जब मैं घर बैठी थी तब मैंने देखा इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत सारा ब्लॉगर्स है. लाइक आई वाज सो क्यूरियस टू नो दैट what is this. Like I have done research and all about this profession, and then suddenly one day what has happened to me I don't know. I created my website and I started. From then I'm clicking pictures and pictures. I'm doing styling and yes.
Wow.
So it's been 5 years now.
So nutrition, like, matlab, where was nutritionist coming from?
My mother wanted me to be a nutritionist. Like,
Achha.
yeah. So I told her that please मुझे fashion designing पढ़ने दो. Like she was like मत करो, nutrition कर लो. It's easy than fashion designing. मैंने बोला okay fine. So then it started like this way.
Manisha Thakur is asking,
Thank
which
you.
highlighter do you use?
Okay, highlighter today I'll use and show it to you guys.
Wow. Nice. So Manisha, please stick around till we reach the time when we need to highlight. There is Rosina writing, you both look so good, gorgeous without makeup. Thank you, Rosina.
Thank you.
But this is also a sort of job that we are doing.
Yeah, actually मुझे लगता है कि ब्यूटी को मैग्नीफाई करता है ये मेकअप. So
right.
Yeah, just for that.
Okay, now we are done with our base basically. What are we going to do next?
Eye makeup.
Okay, we'll start with the eyes.
फिर उसके बाद हम पाउडर देंगे, कॉम्पैक्ट देंगे.
Okay.
It's simple,
Right.
like not too much
Okay.
makeup.
What are you using? And what
Or concealer
do we have
also
to
you
do?
can apply if you want.
Okay. I don't think I need
For
like,
that,
I mean, whatever.
I am taking my Morphe palette. Okay.
Wow. Auntie's
This
palette,
is my
you know, when
savior.
you
I always
started,
use this palette.
you know, जो भी
Everybody asks.
people who are new with makeup, they usually are scared, you know, कि इतना ज़्यादा, like, this is not like something which is very affordable, you know, बहुत expensive होता है. And they are very skeptical कि, you know, क्या खरीदे, क्या नहीं खरीदे. If you have to recommend an eyeshadow palette जो, you know, like beginners use कर सकते हैं, what eyeshadow palette would you recommend?
I would say you can go with like Hilary Rodad. You can go with that. It's good. Like
Right.
means it's pigmented. I have used before, but it's good, I would say.
Right.
मुझे लगता है कि एक अच्छा पैलेट खरीद लो तो बहुत टाइम
Right.
तक चलेगा. So
Correct.
it doesn't create any problem to your skin. So that's
Right.
good.
Right. So you think, you know, we should invest more in makeup rather than कि हम like थोड़े थोड़े छोटे मोटे products ले जो probably उतने effective नहीं होते.
हाँ.
Right.
Yeah.
There is
So,
Miss Candy Kane writing makeup tutorials, please. Acha, do you get these requests ki start making makeup tutorials?
I
or,
used
you know?
to make in my YouTube videos, but
Okay.
I shifted to like creative photography and then doing like face art and body art because I'm
Right.
really interested in those things. I think you have
Right.
seen that
Right.
face art. So yeah.
Haan. Correct. But maybe Miss Candy Kane, this is an
Okay, I'll
opportunity.
start doing that. I was thinking, but let's
Yes. Okay. For now, which color are we using? What should we start
I'm
with?
using this lavender color. Can you see?
Okay.
This one.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So should I use this lavender?
Yeah. That would do.
Okay. Great. There is
I'm taking a brush. And yeah, I just apply. You can do it with your fingers also. It
Okay.
gives really good pigmentation. So
yes. You know, there are people who are very skeptical कि क्या brushes use करें
हाँ.
and
right.
all of that. Do you have some recommendation जो you know something जो is very effective and all of that?
I have I know pack brushes are good,
Right.
really good. So yeah.
But when you started, like if we go back, how difficult or easy was it for you to, you know, like
It was
get a hang
really
of it?
difficult because मेरे locality में मतलब
हाँ.
ब्लॉगिंग मतलब का तो किसी को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था मैं कर क्या रही थी.
Right.
मतलब some people told me please do your MSc, so I was बहुत problem हुआ. So, yeah. अभी
But
याद
then
करती हूँ ना
finally-
तो दुखी हो जाती हूँ.
But
But
how was
thank
the
God I
support,
didn't
you know?
stop doing that.
But you know, people are usually very skeptical कि can they consider you know, like blogging and influencing as a career option?
Definitely.
Can you?
But one thing that is very important in blogging or any other profession is consistency.
Right.
People sometimes think we are not getting famous or people are not noticing our work. You need to be very consistent about it. Keep
Right.
on doing. One day or the other, people will notice.
Sangeeta Sonia is writing, "Hey Shreyasi, why don't you start your YouTube channel?"
I have. It's Shreyasi Devdutt. You can go.
Are
and
you
start.
active? Are you active on
Yeah,
YouTube?
yeah, I'm active. I do vlogs. I do
Okay.
makeup art. Face art, sorry.
So Sangeeta, you can go and check it out. She already has a channel. I think I've just winged myself.
Yeah, have you blended?
Yes, I have. I think so. Does it look very good?
Yeah, it's looking good.
Chalo, great. Okay. I also want to know from you, you know, because it's not matlab it's a time basically where we see ki every other, you know, page is a influencer and, you know, sab log, like everybody is just getting into the business. Is there competition?
Obviously, there is competition, but you need to compete with yourself. Because मैं जब बाहर देखती हूँ ना मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. फिर मैं काम डाउन होती हूँ और मैं अपने काम में बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान देती हूँ. मैं हर रोज शूट करती हूँ जो भी हो. मतलब I don't concentrate in others. Like, yeah.
Right. There is Sinha Urbi writing, D, are you Bengali?
Yeah, I am Bengali.
Great. there is Nooreen Siddiqui, Paint Dot Artist, Anjum. Thanks for everybody who's joined in. If you
Yeah,
want to
thank
see,
you.
like, the entire makeup look, the video is also going to go up on our YouTube channel, which is India Forums. So, वहाँ पे भी, you can go and watch the video if you want to follow, if you like the last look that we end up with on our faces. Acha, another thing that I
So
want to ask you,
yeah,
influencers ko there is a myth, you can say, that influencers are sellouts, and brands jo unhe pay karte hain, they tend to say things which are good for the brand and all of that. How much of a thin line is there when you create content? If a brand has approached you, what is the process like for you?
actually I टू बी ऑनेस्ट मैं बहुत मतलब स्टडी करती हूँ फिर मैं रिव्यूज देती हूँ मतलब आई रिमेम्बर रिसेंटली ऑल्सो आई रिमेम्बर आई
Right.
टोल्ड अ ब्रांड दैट first I'll use that and then I'm going to review it because without doing that it will come to my reputation if it doesn't work later on. I don't know about others,
Right.
but if it doesn't work then what? So yeah.
Correct. But do you then lose out on brands because of this? Ki, somebody is like, ki, nahi, if you can't say
Never
something that
happened
we.
so, but never happened so. Like, yeah,
Okay.
I've never.
Right. There is Anjum writing, you are looking like Barbie. Great.
Thank you.
Okay, tell me what sort of makeups do you like? Matlab, personally, जैसे do you like something which is very quirky and out of the box, या फिर you are like a
Yeah,
very
very
no
much.
makeup?
I love colorful makeup. I like everything. I want everything should be colorful around me. It just makes me so happy. I don't
Right.
like dull colors. I really don't like.
Yeah, we can
So-
see that from your feed. Your feed is very colorful.
Very colorful. Like I always see that whenever I'll open my feed, I should be happy. Then only I can spread happiness. I'm like
Right. Okay, what is the next color that we are going to use?
yeah. Next color is this orange.
Okay, great.
So yeah.
There
I
is
apply
a
this in my inner corners.
okay. So I think I'm going to go with this peachy sort
Yeah.
of orange, and I
Yeah.
can also go with that. There is the flickering flame writing. How to get my self portraits noticed? Noticed by influencers like you. I think that's what they mean.
If you will tag your influencers, favorite influencers, so definitely they're going to notice your work and going to feature you. At least I do that. So yeah.
Right. When you must have started, it wouldn't have been easy. Tell me, how
No.
has the journey been to like 80,000 followers now? 86,000.
It's like ups and downs and ups and downs. Some days I really feel sad, but next day when I see people appreciating my work, I
Right.
feel good. And every day I make sure that whenever I get up in the morning, I say that I can do this, I will do like this motivating things I need to
Right.
think and get up in the morning and again do my work and inspire
Right.
people. So yeah.
There is Arna Bose writing, so much talent and creativity. Wish for more creativity. Tell me, how do you stay so creative? Like, when I see all your posts, एक पहले वाले से बहुत ही अलग होगा. It's not something which is repetitive या फिर एक sort of pattern है कि यही follow करती है श्रेयसी. हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ नया देखने के लिए मिलता है. Tell me, what makes you so creative?
Actually, to be very honest, हर कोई explorer तो देखता ही है. So
Right.
I see people are so creative.
Correct.
It just makes me feel that I should put in more effort on this, more thinking, so that people can get more inspired by my work.
Right.
So every day I literally work on this matter that my self-portrait should be different. It should
Right.
not be copied or something else like that. So yeah, I
Right.
really work hard on that.
And how do you take your pictures? मतलब खुद से? Do you take them खुद से या
Yeah,
do you have your
the
mom and all
stand.
helping you?
एक तो stand
Right.
कैमरा स्टैंड होता है, तो
हाँ.
या रिंग लाइट तो खुद ही, एक रिमोट होता है तो खुद ही क्लिक कर
अच्छा.
लेती हूँ. और आई हैव गॉट माय ब्रदर्स, दे क्लिक्स माय पिक्चर, माय सिस्टर समटाइम हेल्प्स मी.
Right. You know, does it also sometimes do you feel things are not working out? Yeah, you know, सही से मतलब the kind of response that you want probably from a picture वैसा नहीं आ रहा. Does that bother you?
Yeah, obviously, if I say that, it doesn't bother me. Like, it will be wrong or
Right. It
like
will be a lie.
So yeah, it affects me. Then next morning I start with a new word. So when
Right.
I means मुझे अच्छा कमेंट मिल ही जाता है, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा ऑनेस्ट रहती हूँ मेरे काम से, और काम से काम मतलब रखती हूँ. मतलब ज्यादा किसी से मैं बात नहीं करती हूँ उतना. And I really love my fam because they really motivates me a lot. Means
Right.
मेरा पूरा DM भर जाता है, लोग इतना appreciate करता है. I really want to thank them actually.
Right.
So yeah.
You know, because while you also put your inner corner color, I also want to ask you, because you are based in Calcutta, do you think there are limitations for you? Because you know, Bombay is the place जहाँ पे ज़्यादा brands के events वगैरह होते हैं, and you sometimes tend to miss out on a lot of things because of that.
हाँ, कभी कभी तो हो जाता है, क्योंकि ब्लॉगिंग के मतलब ब्लॉगिंग के हिसाब से उतना डेवलप नहीं है.
Right.
है, बट स्लोली बॉम्बे से पीछे है अभी थोड़ा. मुझे वैसा लगता है. मतलब हो जाएगा, कोलकाता भी हो जाएगा. So,
Right.
और इसीलिए मुझे एक बार ऐसा लगा था, मेरे एक फ्रेंड ने बोला था कि आप मुंबई चले जाओ, तो बिकॉज यू आर सो टैलेंटेड, यू कैन achieve so many things there. But I remember I told my friend that no, I will do something in my hometown. And yeah, so
I was going to ask you, do you plan to shift to Bombay?
I don't know. Let's see. But develop तो मुझे कोलकाता से ही करनी है.
Right. Amazing. What are the other bloggers that you like? Who are the other bloggers whose work inspires you?
I really like that Boho girl. Then
Kritika.
Yeah, Kritika. I love her work because she's means her style is all about bohemian, so I can relate to that. So I also like many other bloggers are there. I really like Ashna. I like. I also met her in London Fashion Week, so I went there.
Wow. You went there? With the brand?
As a fashion blogger, yeah, I went there.
Wow.
So I met her there.
What are the things, you know, because there are so basically, you know, of course paid promotions milte hain and all of that. वो सब के साथ साथ, you know, there are these things जैसे like an opportunity to go to London and represent India. Are these moments very overwhelming and you feel कि, you know, मतलब you feel proud of yourself?
Obviously, मैं तो एक महीने से मुझे लगता था कि मैं कितना कुछ अचीव कर ली. मैं जिंदगी में हमेशा छोटी छोटी चीजों में खुश होना चाहती हूँ. मतलब मैं लंदन गई थी, इट वाज लाइक ड्रीम कम ट्रू. आई वाज सो, अभी बोल रही हूँ ना, मुझे इतना गूज़बम्स आ रही है कि मैं बता नहीं सकती.
And now how is the family support?
Yeah, it's too much. Like they help me a lot in every way possible. Like I'm doing live, they are excited outside. So yeah.
Great. That's amazing. Yeah. Okay, now I won't stop you from putting in your in a corner.
Okay. I'll just do that nicely because that's really important. So, yeah.
Right. While you put that, tell me, what are the like 3 most important things about makeup.
बेस तो इम्पोर्टेंट है ही,
Right.
मतलब मॉइस्चराइजर, प्राइमर इम्पोर्टेंट है. फाउंडेशन अप्लाई करो कि नहीं वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, लेकिन मॉइस्चराइजर, प्राइमर, आप बीबी क्रीम कर सकते हो, या कभी कभी मैं ना फाउंडेशन भी अप्लाई नहीं करती हूँ, सो जस्ट कॉम्पैक्ट लगा के शूट करती हूँ. So people think that I put lot of makeup, but no, I don't.
That's
do that.
because you have a blessed skin.
Thank God.
Some Bengali genes can work there, I think.
Yeah.
Right.
So I'll just put my lavender color lower lash line.
On the lower lash line?
Yeah.
Okay. There is Anjum writing D आपको Miss Universe होना चाहिए. Wow.
Height नहीं है मेरा.
Did you try for
But
modeling?
thank you so much.
Ever? Like, did you give a thought कि मैं modeling करूँ या something like that?
नहीं, मुझे ऐसा ही कुछ करना था. Like ब्लॉगिंग तब इंडिया में नहीं थी. Like I
Right.
used to do a lot of photo shoot. I remember in my college days. So
Right.
like styling करके करती थी. Like अभी भी मैं styling करती हूँ. So
Right.
इसलिए मुझे हमेशा सोचती थी कि कभी भी क्या ऐसा प्रोफेशन नहीं आएगा जो मैं कर सकती हूँ. मतलब कॉलेज में थी ना, तभी भी मैं यही सोचती थी.
Right. Anushka is writing, can we ask fashion questions? Yes, Anushka, please do ask fashion questions, because we know that Shreyasi is not only about makeup, but she also is super amazing with the kind of fashion and, you know, out of the box things that she creates. So I've seen the different looks that you've done with sari and, you know, jeans and
Yeah.
sari ko mix kar dena and all
Yeah,
of that.
I love doing styling, you know, that's like my favorite thing.
Right. Acha, if I were to ask you some Bollywood celebrities जिसका styling you really like, who are they?
Celebrity styling. I like Deepika Padukone.
Right.
And I also like Sonam Kapoor ka styling. Especially
Of
styling,
course.
I really like her styling. So yeah.
Okay. That crack goof girl is asking which eyeshadow palette are you both using? I think she's joined now. So if you can again
this one.
show what palette are you using?
Morphe palette. My
Okay.
favorite.
Does it have a number, shade or something? So that if somebody wants to
35B.
buy, they can buy.
It's 35B.
Okay. Right. And guys, I am using, just in case you want to know, I am using the NYX Ultimate Edit palette. This is the only colorful palette that I have. And thankfully it has worked. It looks like it has worked a little bit. वरना usually work नहीं करता है. You can actually go for the Morphe one. I wouldn't recommend this. There
So
is
now
Anushka.Singh. Just a fashion question. What would you prefer in winters and why? Trench coat or a puffy jacket, leather gloves or woolen mittens? Acha, so there's like a this or that she's asked.
Okay.
So would you prefer a trench coat या फिर a puffy jacket?
Puffy jacket with another what? Leather gloves. Yeah.
Acha. Are you someone who enjoys winters?
No.
No? I thought usually जो लोग मतलब you know humid cities में रहते हैं, they tend to like winters.
In winters. I am okay in spring, summer.
Right.
But I'm pura ulta. I think I'm.
Swastika is writing, I want to ask what kind of diet does she take? Her figure looks so good. Great. Tell us some diet tips.
Please, I think you won't believe, but I only have rice. I am pure Bengali girl. So I only have rice. And in the morning, I have roti and torkari, we say. So yeah.
Wow. Matlab you basically do not
And
like
recently,
diet.
that one I'll add. Recently, I've started having chatu. I don't know Hindi में क्या बोलते हैं, तो chatu I have. So for my energy and all to maintain good figure.
Wow. मतलब but
Recently
you're
I've
not
started.
someone.
Okay, guys.
Do you work out and all then?
No, I don't do that.
तो मतलब sorry Swastika, but she is blessed with great skin and great body. So there is Rashmeet Chabra writing which is your favorite eye color which you use regularly. Acha, so basically she wants to know, like the browns and the neutrals, usme se what is the sort of color that you like to put on a daily basis?
It depends on my mood, मतलब it goes with my outfit. मतलब मैं जो outfit पहनती हूँ ना उसके हिसाब से आई शेडो बना लेती हूँ. मैं कभी भी black, brown उसमें stick नहीं करती हूँ. I always try to be colorful. Oh, happy me.
Right. But if you have to recommend something for like somebody who's office going या फिर आजकल Zoom calls होते हैं, वो सब कुछ होता है.
Go with brown, I would say, because it looks very stylish. Yeah.
Right.
There is पहनते हैं तो go with brown.
There is Shayan's photography writing, hi, how are you, Dee?
Hi.
Okay, the crack goofy girl has written Morphe isn't available in India. Do you have some other recommendation if the person cannot go for a Morphe palette?
I am planning to buy from NYX. So you can see a Nykaa because I was planning to buy one from
But this palette, to be very honest, the one that I have from NYX, this is, अभी इसने work कर दिया है, so that is why you must be feeling कि ये काम करता है.
मुझे अच्छा लगा. मेरा NYX का कोई है नहीं, मतलब मुझे चाहिए एक. So
and I was wondering that I wanted to buy the Morphe and James Charles वाला palette, which I think the dupe for the 35B, like लोग बोलते हैं.
Lockdown के वजह से बाहर से कुछ.
So the crack goofy girl, because Shresi is saying that this works, and I can also see that this works. You can actually go for this. This is very cheap also. I think इतना ज़्यादा महंगा भी नहीं है. Yes. So then another question is, can you please give us, Sinha Urbi is writing, can you please give us some makeup hacks? Okay. Till we put our under eye concealer, I think that's the next step that we do.
Yeah.
Okay. While we put that, can you tell us some makeup hacks that you have?
मतलब makeup hacks के मतलब कौन सी चीज के बारे में?
Any top 3, like something that you think मतलब ये मैंने discover किया है, या some anything, like one hack that I know probably is putting your lipstick as your blush, so it sort of creates a monochromatic look or something. But something from your level I want to know. मेरा तो बहुत ही amateur.
मुझे लगता है कि मैंने एक discover किया है, वो है कि मैं एक moisturizer है, तो मैं वो उसमें शिमर्स है, तो मैं वो अप्लाई करती हूँ और सिर्फ कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर अप्लाई करके निकल जाती हूँ. तो दैट्स रियली लुक गुड.
Wow. So yes, guys, if you want a very glowy and dewy sort of thing, so I think this is a very good hack.
But it's not with me right now. It's from Glamco, I think.
Wow. Right. There is Nikita asking, can you post some self-portrait ideas with masks because of the pandemic?
Okay.
Have you planned something with mask या ऐसा कुछ?
नहीं. So you guys are giving me suggestions, so I'll definitely do something.
Great. Asha, tell me how important is this thing, skincare?
Skincare because, is very important. Like night cream and day cream. मैं उतना skincare follow नहीं करती हूँ, लेकिन मैं day and night का जरूर follow करती हूँ. So yes.
Right.
Night cream is must. Like रात में सोने से पहले आप जरूर night cream लगा के सोना, क्योंकि it's important.
Correct. अच्छा.
मैं लगाना भी भूल गई. So yeah.
What do you prefer more, BB creams or foundations?
फाउंडेशन फॉर हेवी मेकअप एंड
Right.
बीबी क्रीम तो लाइट मेकअप हर रोज के लिए.
Great. And ये red lipstick या pink lipstick?
Red. Dark lipstick goes really good with my complexion, I feel.
Right. You know, there is also like girls are very very skeptical कि you know we have a sort of dusky skin tone. What are the lipsticks that are going to suit us? क्योंकि you know बहुत सारे lipsticks होते हैं जो wash out कर देते हैं उनके skin को. Tell us some recommendations if you have for dusky skin tones. Some lipstick which are your go-to like holy grail.
Like I like today I will apply one that is really good. This one I'll apply. It's from Smashbox. It's
Oh my
nude
God.
shade.
I literally have this lipstick lying right here because I'm also going to use that same thing.
I love that lipstick.
Here.
Yeah, same thing.
This instantly like you know pulls the whole look together.
Yeah,
Suddenly ऐसे
really
लगता है
good.
that you know I have put like some expensive makeup. Even if I've just put an expensive lipstick. But guys, some products are really worth investing and this is I think one of them. Okay. We are at it. How important is blending? Tell me because I'm
Yeah,
like
it's very
literally
important.
blending the whole
Blending के
time.
सिवा तो मेकअप हो ही नहीं सकता मुझे लगता है.
Right.
मतलब कुछ भी मेकअप करो ब्लेंडिंग अच्छे से करो तो it will look flawless.
Correct. What do you prefer more, brushes or sponges?
Sponges. I'm not that much comfortable with brushes.
Right.
Sometimes
You
I
know
use
there are
my fingers to
Right.
apply my eyeshadows.
Right. But when people are beginners, you know, they are thoda skeptical about using blenders because this is something जो थोड़ा मतलब you know it's not very easy to use also and
बहुत
लोगों
easy
का
होता
एक
है प्लीज आप लोग यूज करके देखो. Really easy.
but एक you know like there's a mindset कि like
हाँ.
usually हम makeup artist वगैरह को brushes ही use करते हुए ज़्यादा देखते हैं.
हाँ.
So, like, if you had to recommend some blenders, what did you start with? Tell me, how did you start putting makeup and how did you learn? Have you learned some class कुछ लिया
मैं
या
जब भी
फिर
मेकअप स्टार्ट किया मैंने ये सब यूज करती थी. फिर बहुत बाद के बाद जब मेरा एवोल्यूशन
Upgrade 2.0
तो मैं ऐसा ब्लेंडर यूज करना शुरू किया और उसके बाद मैंने ब्रशेस यूज किया थोड़ा बहुत.
right?
बट
But
जो फिनिश थिंग आता है मुझे लगता है वो ब्लेंडर में ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है. मुझे
Right.
लगता है हर किसी का टेक्निक्स अलग होता है सो आई रिस्पेक्ट दैट.
there is Nikita Mittal asking which app do you use to edit your photos?
It's PixArt, Lightroom. Yeah,
Right.
Lightroom is must for me.
Great. Okay, there is a Fleur Lovine asking suggestive black eyeshadow or dark brown eyeshadows for eyebrows from Nonica. Okay, what sort of eye मतलब अगर eyeshadow के लिए color use करना है तो which color do you suggest? Dark brown या फिर black?
Dark brown. Please don't go with black. It really looks artificial. I feel so. I used to apply long back. That time my friends used to tell, "Oh my God, what has happened to your eyebrows?" But then I started using brown shade, dark brown shade. So yeah.
Right. What do you use for your eyebrows? Because you've done it already. We want to know
Yeah,
what have
I
you used.
use this one. Today I have used from this palette this shade.
What is that palette?
Tati.
Acha, you so basically you use like you know like an eyeshadow for your eyebrows.
Yeah, eyebrows. Yeah, that's a hack.
It's a hack, guys. Use your
कभी
favorite.
याद नहीं आ रही थी अभी याद आ गई.
अच्छा, are you a self-taught makeup artist? Like, have you taken
एकदम.
any class
मेरा
या फिर?
तो कोई प्रोफेशनल आइडिया नहीं है तो मैं सेल्फ टॉट ही हूँ. तो
Right.
अभी कॉम्पैक्ट यूज करूंगी.
Okay, to set the
Yeah, set my BB cream.
You know, compact is such a like a basic thing, but you have to
Yeah.
get it like perfectly right. You know, कभी कभी नहीं तो ऐसा compact हो जाता है which can make your under eye look patchy and all.
Yeah, right.
If you had to
I know,
recommend
I know.
just like one good compact, तो कौन सा होगा for beginners, of course.
Yeah. So I'll apply my compact. It's
What
really
compact are you
important for me.
using?
मैं फाउंडेशन के अलावा ये यूज करती हूँ जब भी फाउंडेशन मुझे नहीं चाहिए होता है.
What compact are you using?
Today I'm using, this is from Sugar. I love Sugar products. This
Really?
is the, can you guys see?
Yes, we can see it's sugar, but उसके अलावा I don't think I can see
ये है
anything.
Set the Tone Tinted Powder.
Okay, great. Okay, guys, so Shreyasi, because she's shown a palette which is quite expensive, the Tarte palette. In case you want to use something sasta for your eyebrows, this is the Wet n Wild eyebrow kit, which
Yeah,
comes
that
with
is
this
also
small brush and a
And Wet n
plucker, which
Wild
I've
का
lost.
highlighter भी अच्छा है, मुझे याद आया तो मैं बोल.
You know, when you start growing like in makeup mein, sort of like getting into it, you start investing a lot in more expensive sort of products. But if you were to like tell me some affordable products which are your holy grail, ki matlab like you have bought a high end version of it also, but still you like to go back to your sasta wala like
Fit
original.
Me Maybelline का is very good. Like
Right.
Maybelline का हर एक प्रोडक्ट मुझे अच्छा लगता है. अभी भी मैं यूज करती हूँ बहुत.
Right. Maybelline is of course very amazing with the
Yeah.
kind of products that they make and in the price range. I love all their mascaras. They do their mascaras so well.
Right.
There is Tanaj Malik writing, I'm in love with your creativity.
Thank you.
Acha, this is a wrong question to ask because I can see from my eyes, but I'll still ask you, thick eyebrows or thin eyebrows?
For you
For you.
or for me? For me,
Yes.
I like thick.
Acha, what do you think will suit my eyes? मतलब my face? Thick या thin?
थोड़ा अगर thick होगा, because I prefer that actually maybe.
हाँ, right. Something like
थोड़ा
bushy.
thick होगा तो I guess it will look more.
Right. I am worst at my skills, so just bear with me.
No, you are really doing great.
Okay, there is Swastika writing, are you going to grow your hair long?
Yeah. Really,
अच्छा,
I want to grow
that's
my
the plan?
hair. अभी अगर ग्रो नहीं किया ना, मेरा मम्मी मुझे पूरा एक बार याद है, मैं पूरा छोटा मतलब मेरा ऐसा लंबा हेयर था, तो मैं सैलून में गई थी हेयर कट करवाने.
Right.
मम्मी सोचा था कि मैंने थोड़ा बहुत कट करके आऊंगी, तो मैंने
Right.
पूरा मशरूम कट करके आ गई, बॉब कट.
वो
तो मुझे याद है मम्मी 2 दिन तक मुझसे ठीक तरीके से बात नहीं कर रही थी. मैं तब 6 में पढ़ रही थी. So
My
it
God.
was really funny and I really remember those things.
Right. But what do you prefer? Do you prefer short hair or long hair?
Actually, I love long hair, but short hair suits me a lot.
Right.
According
You
to
know,
my
pictures
height.
and all में also it looks very like classy and chic. कि
Yeah.
भाई मतलब छोटे बाल हैं.
हाँ. But मुझे
sort of-
long hair पसंद है.
Right. There is
इच्छा था
Ashu
मेरा
Bhatt.
long hair, तब मैं काट के आई.
Ashu Bhatt is writing, Shreya ma'am, I'm a fan of yours. You are my real inspiration.
Thank you so much.
Amazing. When you get these messages, how motivating is it? You know,
It's
there are
really
times
motivating me a lot.
when you can have a low day. You
Yeah.
know, जब मतलब मजा नहीं आ रहा and you feel pathetic about yourself. Do these messages sort of motivate you, pick yourself up?
Yeah, that time only I start thinking what new content I can create for those people who loves me so much.
And how has the lockdown been for you? Because you know, उसमें कितना
It's
ज़्यादा
been really
creativity
productive.
बढ़ी.
Like really productive because
Right.
before this I was concentrating on my clothing line. It's now closed because
Acha.
of the lockdown. I have my
Right.
own showroom,
Hmm.
but this time means it became really productive for me. So I was every day I started making contents and what I used to
Amazing.
do 2 years back. So I really enjoy doing that.
Right. Guys, right now we have taken quite a lot of time doing our makeup, but usually I'm pretty sure श्रेयसी और मुझे दोनों को किसी को भी इतना time नहीं लगता होगा.
15 minutes.
Right. Because we are talking as well, and you know,
Yeah.
doing this, we have 10 minutes because this live can go off. According to Instagram, it's a thing कि 1 घंटे में live
Okay.
बंद होता है. So we will now focus a little more on the makeup so that by the end
Yeah.
of the video,
We can do the mascara now.
okay, we are left with
Mascara
I
is
think
my
only
favorite part.
we are left with only 3 things, I think, or
Yeah.
3-4 things, which are like very chota
Yeah.
things. So we'll
Chota
just,
chota,
you know, people face problems of not having like curled up lashes, yeah, aisa kuch. So they can use this thing, I think. I'll just put. Are you done with mascara?
I'll use it now.
Okay.
No, I'm not
What
done.
are you using?
So I'm using this Smashbox ka Super Fan.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's really nice. My favorite.
Wow. What
And
does it do?
mascara
Does it
is my
lengthen?
favorite part because it totally changes my look
Great.
and my lips. Like lipsticks and mascara thing is must.
Right.
Okay, guys.
So these are easily the 2 products that you can basically put and get out of the house if needed.
Yeah.
Great. Sorry guys, we are talking less only because we want to have a complete look by the end of the live. ऐसे नहीं कि हम आधा ही look करके. And for a sasta version, because again Shreyasi has used a very high-end mascara, I have all the
Maybelline.
sasta options.
Maybelline is
This
good.
is the Maybelline Hyper Curl, which you can use.
I also have
or
Maybelline
else,
one.
or else you can also use something which is the L'Oreal
Yeah, that one I have.
Fall Slash
Good.
Superstar, anything. So I have these 2-3 options in front of me. So I just showed you guys. So y'all can go for any of these as well. There is Savni Roy writing, you look like Monali Thakur.
Really?
Wow.
Thank you. That's a compliment. Thank you. I love
Of
her.
course.
Monali Thakur. I love her.
Great. Now what do we put? We are done with lashes.
Okay, I'll put my bronzer.
Okay.
You can skip
Right.
this
This
part
is.
because I
okay.
have gold and chubby face. So I.
And you think I don't look at my face?
So I'm using this from Sugar, and this is
Right.
Contour D-Force Mini Bronzer Woody Wonder. Long
Right.
name.
Great.
So,
I'm
we'll
just.
do jaldi.
I'm just using a brown eyeshadow for this, guys. So
Yeah. That's a
yes,
hack.
I'll just. That's again a hack. You can use a brown eyeshadow for your eyebrows also for your contour. I'm not very good at contouring, so don't look at me for a moment and look at Shreyasi because I'm sure she's doing something better than I'm doing. I'm just like freehanding, मतलब drawing हो रही है मेरी. How important is contouring?
Contouring is important for me because my face shape is full round and I need some contouring for
If
that.
you are new and you don't know too much, I think you can just make a fish face and sort of follow the hollows that it creates. Great. I think we are done. We have 5 more minutes and I think we are only left with like blush, highlighter and lipstick.
Yeah, right. So for blush, I'm using again from Sugar. This is
Right.
Contour D4 Mini Blush. Salmon
Right.
Superstar 04.
Amazing. And I think I'm just going to stick with my holy grail blush, which is the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine. This is the blush that suits
So,
also a lot
some
of
more
Indian
on your
skin tones.
nose, please. I
Yes.
love blush on my nose.
I think it just gives such a fresh look. Don't you think so?
Yeah.
It sort of looks like कि हमको मतलब naturally pink cheeks है, चाहे नहीं है, but let's just pretend कि है.
And now, yeah. So
Done.
I really need time for this lip
What
part.
is it?
Yeah. It's from
It's
Sugar
lipstick?
again. I love Sugar products. Okay, guys. So
Is it a
this
lipstick?
Yeah. I'll apply two
Okay.
lipsticks. So
Okay.
this is Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick Deep Pitch Mode 10.
Right.
Okay.
So is this the last thing that we are doing?
Yeah. Then
Acha, are we doing a highlighter as well? Great. Do we need a highlighter for this look?
Yeah,
or are we
at the
good?
end. Ekdam
Okay,
at the end.
So I think this is the second last step, everyone. And of course, within like 3 minutes, we are going to have a full face.
I love this color. And now the Smashbox. Yeah.
Yes, which I've already applied. This is the
Yeah.
driver's seat.
So on top of this, I'm going to apply this.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So guys,
Yeah.
are we done?
Yeah.
And this is the
Highlighter.
last step, finally.
Yay. I'm using this Carly Bible palette.
Amazing.
So I really love this highlighter.
Great. And for people who are very new at makeup and they don't know which highlighter to go for, close your eyes, go order this Molten Gold
Yeah,
from Nykaa. Because ये I think suits everybody. Like मैंने भी जिस पे भी लगाया है and people whoever I've seen
And
using.
also highlighter from Wet n Wild is good. I have. So I'm telling you.
Is it this one that you're talking about?
Yeah.
कुछ ऐसा? Right.
Yeah, that's good.
I think some
I think I
precious
have the
petals or
pinkish
something.
one, not the brownish one.
हाँ.
I have the pinkish one.
I think it has like 2-3 shades. मतलब अलग-अलग shades है.
Apply on your high point, guys.
Great. And because this is the last step and the live is also going to get over, tell me, did you enjoy this sort of session, and can we expect more of these sessions with you?
Yeah. I really enjoyed it. Thank you so much for having me here. I really enjoyed it.
Yes.
Yeah,
Guys,
the highlighter for that glowy finish. I like lot of highlighters.
Clearly, everybody loves highlighter. It makes you look so fresh and, glow.
I really like
Great. After drenching myself totally into highlighter.
Yeah, I hope I'm looking good.
Yes, guys, you all have to comment within the next 1 minute. Thank you so much, Shreyasi. This is our final look. I'm not looking at as good as Shreyasi, as professional,
No,
but
you
I've
look
tried.
beautiful.
Thank you so much. I've also tried to sort of copy her, and see, guys, it's doable. Influencers ka makeup is a real thing, and we can of course recreate it. In case you want to check the whole thing out, it's going to be there on our YouTube channel, which is India Forums, and this live is also going to get saved as an IGTV. Thank you so much, Shreyasi, for doing this. I expect a lot more videos with you in the future. Let's do some live again.
I would love to join you guys in the live. It's so much interesting.
Amazing.
And so much fun talking to you.
Yeah, thank you so
And
much.
You are really
Bye.
good.
Thank you so much. I always love compliments. You look very beautiful, and thank you so much for helping me create this. And there is somebody writing, both are looking super cute. There is Sinha Urbi. Thank you so much,
Thank
Urbi.
you so much. Thank you all of you.
And-
Thank you so much, spreading so much love and positivity in this life. So thank you so much,
Right.
guys. Love
Thank
you.
you so much. We hope that we create some different look with you the next time that we meet. And yes, thank you so much for doing this. Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Stay home and
Take
stay
care.
safe.
Spread
Stay
love.
safe. Bye bye.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.